Hey, Andrew Harrison here, the owner of Just Hollow Junk Removal. You're dealing with paint that you need to get rid of. See the consistency of this? It's about like mud. It's still a little bit wet. We're gonna mix in crud cutter, paint hardener. Give me just a second here. Just mixed in roughly a whole bag of crud cutter into this, about a gallon of paint. We're gonna mix it up, give it a good stir. And it's already clay. It went from mud to clay in minutes. So we're gonna let the crud cutter do its work. Might add another bag, but we're about cement quality. Gonna let that sit. That paint should harden and it can go right in your trash can. No need. It's no longer a hazardous waste. Here's a quick follow-up. It's been 10 minutes since I added crud cutter to the paint. Some went in there, some went in there. Let's check it. This one, it's stiff. It's no longer liquid. It's safe for the trash. How about this bucket? This is the bucket you saw that was liquid, then cement. It's now hard. I can't even stir it. It is now safe for the trash can. So if you need to get rid of paint, little paint hardener, 10 minutes of time, stir it up, and it's ready for your trash can. It's no longer hazardous waste. Get rid of your paint.